friends, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to start a new Python tutorial as we mentioned in the previous video, and I hope this will be helpful for all of you. So let's get started. So first we need to install the app. So we'll say Python download Python. This is the latest version, and you can download, if you have Windows you can download on Windows. If you have Linux, Mac or anything else, so you can download. I have Windows, so I'll download. First you have to add python.exe to path so that it can be easy to find Python, or if you don't want to, then you have to search for it manually in your PC. I prefer you do. Then we have to install now. It's taking some time. Yeah, now the setup was successful. Now we have to download one more thing called PyCharm, where we can write more bigger codes, as in Python, which I download now. We can write only line by line, but PyCharm we'll use later. We'll start from Python. We have to download PyCharm. It's from JetBrains. You can search from here. Windows, download. It's taking some time. We just have to do next, install. It's taking some time. We have completed PyCharm setup, and now as we have installed PyCharm and Python, so we'll start the basics in the next video. So till that, bye bye.